Hello everyone, we're playing A Hat in Time again, and this time we're playing with Unicorn! And also I've noticed the sound might, Unicorn, I'm trying to, the sound was in the game was a little loud, so it's hard to hear me, so I'm turning it down. Come on, Unicorn.
Look, a giant cat. Wait for me.
Who made our entire place Christmas themed?
It's past Christmas though.
Oh, yeah.
I want the present real quick. Get your present.
Okay.
This is mine.
Okay, let's take them down to the level we're doing. Let's give these presents to the telescope.
Okay.
Okay. Huh, Deadbird Studio? That sounds kind of creepy. Right, Unicorn?
Yeah. Hey, look. You have... Hey, look at me. Big subscriber.
You're cool. Unicorn, you look cool, and it's featuring Unicorn and some girl?
Look at this guy. The penguin's like, what the heck? Some girl in the chair.
Some girl. Wow, it's dark in here.
Yep. I have glasses. Please me.
This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds. You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy drivel. If I wanted a bunch of pecknecks to dance around while on birdseed, I'd visit my grandchildren. Nonsense, darling. Your Owl Express birds are just going to record another boring, train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling. What? No, we haven't, you buffoon. Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will bring in the audience. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer. Oh yeah? Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our newest movie props. These hourglass things will be the grand jewel in our train heist western. What? Yeah, what? You know, good dirty pecknuts, you copied our props. I would never, darling. Clearly you're one who took inspiration from my flashy new props. That does it. Get out of here with you. I got a movie to record. Fine by me, darling. We'll be the ones with the annual movie award. Mark my word. Okay, so we're going in there. So I guess we have to get in there to get the hourglasses. Oh yeah, let's see how well you do when you can't get in the reception. Quahahaha. Oh wait, shedding the picnics in the studio will force them to work harder. Alright, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and receptionist, can you please close off that vent already? I don't want to smell a penguin coming anywhere near my crew. Okay, let's jump to get up there, right, Unicorn?
Glasses.
Yeah.
2 glasses. Ooh. Huh?
You destroyed some property, so you want to give him some gems.
Well, I have 2 glasses. That is a something. Wait for me, HelperMan.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Unicorn.
I think I was fun with you.
Trespassing.
HelperMan.
Oh, look! Oh, that was close. Like, looks like we have to dodge those birds with the eyes. They're shining lights for some weird reason.
Whoa. That is weird. Really weird. No people. That's bots. Wow. Oh. I found you. Ah, there's him coordinates.
That isn't very convincing, is it?
Yeah.
Run, run. Oh, he got me. Ow. It hurt me.
There's a helper there. HelperMan. However, can I hit it?
I will take you back to where you were.
Oh.
Where I was, I mean.
I want to go back and forth, HelperMan.
Alright.
It won't let me. Oh, damn it.
Okay.
And what crosses?
Oh, he almost got me there.
I like these houses. I didn't go past you, Zachary.
See the pipe?
Oh. Ooh.
I have to be stealthy and sneaky and... That was not stealthy or sneaky. I guess you'll...
Ladder?
Secret ladder.
Ooh, yawn.
Okay. Now, but it isn't coins, so thus it can't save me from my accidental losing. So go get those coins. See those coins up there?
Oh, yeah. So you're supposed to go here?
No. I think you just found a secret place.
But how to do this again?
Jump! Oh!
Oh!
And the coin's behind you, remember?
So,
And
oh. Dude! Another yawn? Huh. How many more coins?
I don't think so.
Oh, wait, there where you died, HelperMan. How about I go there?
Huh. So you need to somehow get on that train without him seeing you.
Yep. And perfect time. Yeah.
Oh, that was so close.
So it stops here. So you can get these coins. Go back. Let's die. Oh, I'm going to spoil. It's gonna take me one more coin doing today. Okay, now.
Okay, I'm back, unicorn.
Yay! Finally. Okay, I guess I sucked him, man.
What is the point of going here? Oh. Okay, let's see what Oh, wait, there's more money bags to jump on. Once you're over there. Okay. Oh. Okay, and jump up. It's my bags, unicorn.
I'll be waiting for you, HelperMan.
No, just go on. Go on.
I always walk on.
I will probably take a while because I'm horrible with this stuff. Oh,
You
it looks like
staying?
it takes you back to where you were. Come on, unicorn.
Wait,
Okay, I got caught. Okay, unicorn, you're supposed to go down there with me.
Oh, yeah, but I seen hammers and arrows flying everywhere. That's fun. That's weird. Oh.
Go back down where I was, unicorn.
I'm trying to at least get you.
Okay. Ah, that activates that train. Wait, remember that thing you have that allows you to... Oh. Remember the thing that shoots the laser?
Of the hat?
No, the badge that shoots lasers. Oh, we don't have that. So, yeah. You don't have any.
Okay. What the heck? What?
Just go back down there and hit the lever. Gang caught. And next to attack, and then try not to get seen, and... Oh.
That.
I guess it moved too fast, but it still spawned you in the correct place.
Yep.
I think there was a coin back there on it. Oh, no. I thought that shiny thing was a coin. Now get me back, unicorn. Oh!
Oh.
Ah.
Gold. That was the good.
Okay. Hi, unicorn. Oh, wrong way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, huh? What? Wait, huh? Wait.
What's this?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, it turns out the lights. So that they will stop seeing. Okay.
I'm getting ready, HelperMan, and going.
Oh, let's wait. Okay, press it again. Okay, I got past. And I will press it for you. I guess they're...
Oh, come on.
Guess they can look to the side a little bit. And we'll press again. Just do. Okay.
I was getting ready for you.
And there's no one on this side, so you'll have to hurry. Just hurry, unicorn. Oh, so...
Oh.
Sorry?
Hey, do. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, you're here, unicorn.
11 push-ups to get here. Wait, huh?
Woo! Whoops. Ow, that hurt.
Oh yeah. Do. That's easy, HelperMan. Whoa!
You better get out of the way.
All the sports have creepy red eyes.
Come on, unicorn.
How to go past them exactly? How to pass them?
You just climb up that wall. You know how to climb?
I don't know how to climb.
Just continue to hit the jump button like that. Only keep on doing it.
Oh, there it goes. Yes. Woo! Is this a big spotlight? Come in. Oh. That's not right. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna die.
There I am dead. Can you complete this, unicorn? You'll need to jump over him or something.
Huh?
You need to jump over him or something, I think. And not go where he can see you.
I don't know.
That red light. That's where he sees. Don't go where the red light is, unicorn! There. Come on, unicorn!
You know.
What is this?
There.
Okay. Magnificent, stunning. This trophy is everything I desire on the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny. Oh my, what is it that I see? Is it true inner beauty and innocent soul with heart of gold? Oh no, it's just a little girl. Hello. Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I can use some non-penguin coming around here. It's all my penguins are frankly terrible actors. Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I have to win this next annual bird movie reward. There's no doubt I absolutely must have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this.
Thank you.
We need to give you a bird passport, darling, right over here. The most important part of the passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashing and stunning. Right over here. Let's take your pic. Okay, put on a smile and stand so. Please don't move. Let's see how the picture turned out. What? Darling, you moved. The picture's ruined. But you've got this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctrine. Here, let's take these markers to yourself in the most stylish, fashionable young lady. All I changed is my hair. Perfect. Let's slide this picture in your passport, and here you go. One passport for you. I'm legally a bird now. I think that's a unicorn because you're wonderful, darling. Just wonderful. Meet me at the movie set tomorrow, and we'll make you a star. Hey, what you think you're doing? You can't just jump in and fill with the annual bird movie awards. That fraud. Everyone, we've got a fraudster over here. Where are my owl guards at? Why are the owls so darn useless? Alright, listen here at last. You're in big trouble. If you're helping crooked TJ Grooves rig the rewards, and I can't take you to jail, then you're got to help me even the score. That's right, you're gotta be the star of my movies too. Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late. Okay, we'll practice with your thing. And people watching, what do you think of my trying of me? Tell me in the comments.
Hit the like button.
And subscribe, and we'll
See
you next time. Say bye, unicorn.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.